Good morning, people. If I'm looking a little bit sweaty, that's because I am, because I've just literally got in from a pretty savage workout. But what better way to start your Saturday than with a little bit of ManyChat building? So today, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in ManyChat so that you can get people in your restaurant, bar, shop, business, whatever it is, to be able to scan a QR, and that's going to put them straight into Messenger, where you can add them to your database, deliver them with offers, whatever it is you want to do. But getting them from that QR code into your database is a really, really important thing to be able to do easily, particularly something like a restaurant or bar, any real brick and mortar business where you've got people coming in off the street. You want to be able to get them onto your database easily. One of the greatest and easiest ways to do that is with a QR code. Now, previously on ManyChat, what you have to do is create a link which then took people into Messenger, and then take that link and turn it into a QR code. But ManyChat have now baked in QR code building right into their dashboard. So it makes building a QR code to get people into Messenger, into your database, really, really easy. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So the first thing we want to do, we actually want to go over to the Growth Tools section. So if you click on the Growth Tool section and we create new Growth Tool, I'm just going to move myself out of the way because I'm in the way there. I'm going to select QR code. Now, this is a free feature, so even if you're not paying for the premium feature of ManyChat, you can still absolutely use this and set this up for your business. So what it's going to ask us to do here is it's going to ask us what message or what flow we want to send the user when they scan the QR code. So what's the first thing they're going to actually see? Now, it's put a default one in here, but we can edit or change or replace this with one that we've already built. If you've already got a flow that you've built, or you've got perhaps a certain flow that you want to send people to off the back of the QR code. So one of the common ones to do for like a restaurant or something might be to send people to a particular deal that you've got running that they can redeem. What we'll do is we'll just edit the one that we've got here. So we'll do something, say something along the lines of welcome. We'll keep the welcome first name. Thanks for joining our channel. Thanks for joining our channel. Stay tuned for a special offer. Stay tuned for a special offer coming to you this week. Something like that. I mean, you could add a button and see menu, something like that. You've got a whole host of things, obviously completely reliant on what you're looking to achieve from that sign up. This is just an example. And then they could click see menu. Maybe we'll open a website. We'll open. One of the important things you want to try and do when people do scan the QR code is when they come into Messenger, one of the first things you want to focus on doing is trying to get their email. That's something you can do is you can select this user input section, which is only available if you've got a pro account, which is well worth signing up to. You can actually take their email. One of the most important things with Messenger to remember is we don't own the Messenger platform as a business, as a company. So if Facebook decide to shut it down or anything like that, and you have not collected people's independent information, things like emails, phone numbers, all that stuff, if you've not got any of that information on all of your subscribers, then you're at a massive risk. Because if Facebook do pull the rug from under your feet and do take Messenger away or do stop us from using it for these sorts of things, you know, we're not going to have contact with our audience very easily. Yes, they may follow you on Facebook, on social media, but, you know, it doesn't take a genius to work out that following you on social media just is not enough in this day and age. If you look at the amount of people that your posts are reaching versus the amount of people that are probably following you on social media, you'll see that if you're lucky, you're probably only reaching 15% of those people on any one given post. So it's really important, more important than ever now, in fact, to make sure that we try and collect people's contact information. So that's an important part of the step to remember when people join you on Messenger, whether it's for a QR code or for anything, try and as early as possible get their contact information logged in the system, even if you're not going to use it there and then. Make sure you get it, because it's really going to future-proof your database, and that's a really important thing to be considering. That's all I've got for now. Once you've built that, we just click publish. Okay, that's published, and we can click on our QR code here, and you can download the code image. If you want to make it bigger, of course, you want to make it 400 pixels, you can absolutely do that, and then we can just download the image. And now, if you scan this on your phone, then this will take you straight in to this or whatever flow you've selected. That's all for now. Hope that was useful. I know a lot of people have been wondering how you can set up QR codes. It's easier than ever now with it built into ManyChat. Thanks very much. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all soon.